Whatever happens inside here, stay the
Don't do that. Okay, so y'all, I did my actually, okay, hold on, let me catch my breath. So this wig, my mom got it, and I was watching a TikTok by this guy, and he was basically saying that the bob hairstyle, like that sweepy bob to the side, is so like rich girl. Like it's like a rich girl look. It's a rich girl vibe. Rich, word to Nikki. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try this. So I did it to the side with my little rich girl, and I'm really feeling it. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, the old man have been feeling your girl. It's like something with this head. The old man just love it. But I've been getting so many compliments. People are like, girl, you so pretty. And I'm like, thank you, but so are you. Because we give compliments back over on this side of the internet, okay? I am about to go take off my makeup. Say bye to the pink light, my plant food light. I'm about to take off my makeup because, girl, I got to do an get ready routine for bedtime. And I'm going to try this tonight because I see the old ladies loving it when I used to work at Sephora, and now I am in my late 20s, so I guess I'm an old lady. Anywho, so I'm gonna use this by Estee Lauder, and word to my mother, practicing for when I get to New York. Word to my mother, dead ass is better to prevent rather than try to treat. So, word to my mother. Why is her contact ending already? Embarrassing.
And I blow his mind every time I'm activated. You just trying to catch a vibe. 60 got you fascinated. Jump up on the brand new ride. BMW riding, baby. I ain't gonna tell you lies. That's just how we roll. What it is. How we roll.
And it is so freaking good. And I'm telling you, if you wanna, I feel like it smells like what I expect Dubai to feel like the rich luxury of Dubai. Speaking of rich luxury of Dubai, I've been watching Dubai Bling, and that is drama. Like, you want some drama in your life? You need to watch that. Wow, my skin actually looks really good with this on. It's crazy. I don't know why I still had this wig on. Like, I'm gonna wear it today. I'm gonna take this off my head because, bro, my skin looks so good. Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder. It's your girl line. Look at this. So yeah, I might watch some Blink Empire. I don't know, because it's been real drama right now, girl. I mean, shit. All that money in the world, I would want to trade places with them girls. But the guy in there, the guy that owns Forever Rose, is kind of like, he has beef with one of the girls right now, and like he came to her workplace to like confront her because she did that to him. And it's just giving, you're a man, so why are you entertaining girls' drama like this? It's, you know, I know we're not here for gender roles, because it's literally on like 2%, and then I'm gonna watch something and go to bed. So I will see y'all tomorrow.
trying to do my thing, and I'm just trying to get my joy to me. So hard to deceive. I'm just trying to think that
Sister are literally in the Uber, the Lyft right now, and we're going to the concert. I want you to see my sister. So this is my sister. So if you ever see her, you see me. Okay, and that's on period. Alright, there you go. This is for YouTube, you know. You're gonna be on YouTube.
You ready?
Coach you load from in a little one. Ready grab a stink like a get up on. This keep man who the way and the weatherman. A boy full of tricks on your face in a man. Long time I should have gone. Streets work for the men that the wake a man. Get a man, drive down far. Side of the wake a man. That's it, now with the girl. Scheme up like Shana Motherfucker. No Wi-Fi, no then at the hot spot. So we do a see from a map. So you gather up. If you real
What happens inside here?
we better done everything we bad, madder done everything.
Baby, at this point, I was so over it. Like, I was just like, I'm ready to go home. I got work in the morning. But finally, this woman came out to introduce Dexta Daps to the stage, and like, it was insane. The screams from the women around me, girl, you're just gonna have to see for yourself.
No Wi-Fi, no then at the hot spot. So we
So this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.